Hi YouTube family, it's your girl Naomi LeClaire and I'm back again with another video. Thank you guys for being such loyal subscribers because I know I have been gone for a while. But I'm back on the wagon and I just want to first off start and say thank you for always being here and liking my content, subscribing to my content, and just helping me know like the message that I just have used for myself and want to share with you all is being used and accepted. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today's topic, as you can already tell from the description below, is how to boost your self-confidence instantly. So a lot of people that I hang around, they kind of call me a magnet or like a fly trapper. I don't know, my friends, they're funny. The reason why I'm like that is because I have self-confidence and it just didn't come overnight, and it just didn't, it was a work in progress. So the way that I personally have become self-confident, I'm gonna give you guys 5 tips and I hope you all can use this so you can see changes for yourself. Okay, so one way to instantly boost your self-confidence is positive self-talk and positive self-affirmation. Okay, you cannot expect to have confidence and you don't think highly of yourself and you don't encourage yourself. You don't look at yourself in the mirror and be like, I am beautiful, I am great, I love my body, I like the way I look in this, I love the way I can rock anything I put on, I will look good with a paper bag on my head. That's something my dad told me, and it's always stuck with me because it's like no matter what I am doing, like I'm still beautiful. And I know it's hard to think that way because we might not always feel like we are super confident all the time, but if you begin to give yourself positive self-talk and just begin to be sweet and kind to yourself, then it's going to start coming from the inside out. Okay? The next thing is boost your confidence instantly. I would say do something that you're good at least every day, whether that's working out, whether that's cooking a meal, whether that's doing a routine that you're used to doing, complete it, and that way you'll feel good about yourself. I know sometimes, I know me especially, there's just so many things going on in life that if I don't do one specific thing, or if I don't keep with the same routine, then I begin to start feeling down on myself. And it's okay to, not be perfect all the time, but know that whenever you do complete it, you do feel much better about yourself. So go ahead and knock out something that you're good at, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Knock out something that you're good at. Another thing that will boost your self-confidence is setting a goal and reaching it. By setting a goal, you're saying, hey, I'm going to do this. Like for me, for instance, I'm going to sit down and do this, film this YouTube video, no matter if it gets 100 likes or 10, being able to film it and get that message out, and so that you all can get this content, that makes me feel much better and it builds my confidence. Same thing with you all. Say if you want to you're on a journey to being healthier and losing weight or gaining muscle, attending the gym 3 to 5 times a week, you're setting that goal, and then once you reach that, you feel better about yourself. You cannot tell me you don't, because you set out to do something, you completed it, you feel much better about yourself. Okay, the last tip that I would say is that you have to upgrade. A lot of people think that, oh, I'm just gonna wake up and begin to feel like $1,000,000 or look like $1,000,000, and it's like you have to put in the work. You have to constantly upgrade. I wouldn't say constantly, but you have to work at something a day at a time, or improve. You see what I'm saying? You have to do something different to get different results. So as far as self-confidence goes, I would definitely say exercising, feeling good about the skin that you're in, always boost your self-confidence so you can upgrade in that way. Investing in a gym membership, Planet Fitness, their rates are as low as $10 a month. Or if you're a college student like I am, the gyms come with your tuition, so you always have access to that. There are parks that you can go to that you can run around the soccer field. I can insert a video below where I'm doing that absolutely free. All you got to do is drive up to your local park or you can even run around your neighborhood. So that's one way you can improve. Taking care of your skin if you break out often, or you have different skin issues. Figure out what your skin type is, start taking care of your skin, and doing different routines that'll help out with that. You know, maybe that's by simply drinking water, maybe it's even more. You have to figure out what works for you. Another way that you can upgrade is simply upgrade your wardrobe. Maybe the things that you wear, that you have in your closet, you don't even wear, or you don't feel confident in them. Maybe they're too small, maybe they're too big. Ditch those clothes. I think that you all have to spend an arm and a leg to upgrade your entire wardrobe. No. I personally enjoy thrifting, and matter of fact, I guess I'll go on a few vlogs in order to show you all that you can find beautiful clothing, no matter if you're petite, tall, skinny, plus size, thick, thin. No matter your size, no matter your style, that you can find something at a lower cost at a secondhand or thrift store. Okay? Yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share this content because I want you all to get as much out of it as you can. Comment down below. Let's get into conversation. Let's figure out what works for you and what I can help you all with, because I want them to get their first impression of you to be amazing, and I want it to be the way that you see yourself. And I hope the way that you see yourself is one of a kind, spectacular, awesome, confident, and I want everyone that sees you to see that. So again, without further ado, my name is Naomi LeClaire. I hope you all enjoyed my content. Continue to follow, continue to watch this journey, and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Everything you do is amazing.